artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a folding surprise bird. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw a little bird folding surprise. This is gonna become 3 birds, but we're gonna start in the outside of the paper with the first one. The first thing I'm gonna do is in the center of the paper, I'm gonna do a circle, and I'm gonna leave this circle open on the top. So I'm gonna start going down, and I'm gonna pass really close to the folding part, but I'm still leaving a little bit of a space there. And I'm going back up. So I'm leaving these open to put a little bit like hairs here. So we're gonna do 1 and 2 U shapes that are upside down. Okay, so that's gonna be the hair of the little bird. Now we're gonna do the legs, and that's what I leave a little bit of a space here because I want my legs to start here on this space. Okay, we're gonna leave a little bit of a space, and I'm doing the other one. And now I wanna cross the folding part with my legs, just like that. And the feet is gonna be really simple. We're gonna do a little circle in each side, and then we're gonna do a bigger circle around this one. Okay, now let's do the little wings, and we're gonna do a curve on each side, and then we're gonna put 1, 2, 3 curves. Let's do it again. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and the curves are becoming like smaller as they go down. Now let's do the little face, and here in the center I'm gonna do the peak by doing a line and a triangle underneath. Next, we're gonna do 2 big oval shapes next to the peak. And inside, I'm gonna do an oval shape that is gonna be like closer to the center, so closer to here. I'm gonna do here another one. Okay, and I'm gonna fill this with black, but we're gonna leave the top in white. So I'm gonna go like this, coloring the bottom black. Okay. So there is my bird. Now we're gonna make this bird standing on a branch. So I'm gonna start here on the right side, and I'm just gonna do my branch going to the end of the paper. I'm gonna go in between the feet, and don't worry about making this line super straight because it's a branch. We can just make it wiggle a little. So I'm gonna go like this, and I'm passing the wing a little, and here is where you can get creative. This branch can be different than the one I'm gonna make. So for mine, I'm just gonna go here with a little corner. And then I want to extend again this one to make it look more like a branch. And now I'm going to go here. And when I get to the bottom of the little bird, I want to get another one. And I want to keep moving. And maybe here I do one more that opens like this and come back out. Okay. Now from these branches, we're going to do little leaves. They are like a line. And then we can do the leaf. Mine are gonna be like round and finish on a point, and I'm gonna put a line inside. Yours can look different as well. Okay, you can use your imagination to do your own type of leaves. Maybe it can be different than mine. Okay, and we're gonna put as many as you want. Usually leaves are not the same size, so you can change the size, the shape, and the direction. Okay, I want to leave mine like this, and now I'm ready to open the paper. Okay, we're gonna start with the cheek on the bottom, and the first thing I'm gonna do is cross these lines here with the legs. Now we're gonna do the body, and again I'm gonna leave open the top part. So I want to start really close to the folding part, doing this time an oval shape. Okay. And I want to go up, and remember it's going really close to the folding part, and I want to leave open right here. Okay, we're leaving a little bit of a space to put the legs of the second bird. Now for these legs, I'm going to do here 1 in 2 lines. We're gonna repeat the steps we did here. So I'm gonna start with a circle in each side, and then we're gonna do a half a circle in behind this one. Now that I have the feet, I can close my shape of the circle on the bottom. Okay, before we continue with the other bird, let's finish this one. We're gonna start with the beak by doing a line, a triangle, and it's gonna be exact same face as this one. You can choose to change this face. Okay, I just want my birds to look very similar. So I'm gonna do my oval shapes. These are big ones. Now close to the inside of the eye, I'm gonna do my oval shape. And we're gonna color with black just the bottom. There. The last step to finish this bird is to do his wings, and we're gonna do curve, curve, 1, 2, 3 curves. 1, 2, and 3. So let's continue with the last bird. Now for this one, we're gonna do a full circle, and this circle is gonna be really close to the bottom. Now for this bird, I'm just gonna cross these legs first, just a little bit, okay? It's just a very short line after the folding part. And now I wanna start the circle from here, going to the bottom, and it needs to connect with the other legs. Just like that. Okay, now let's do the wings. Same idea that we did the other ones. And the beak and the eyes are the same. I'm gonna go here with my curve, the triangle, and I'm gonna do my oval shapes. Just like that, and let's do an oval shape close to the center. And fill this with black. And there, that's it. We finished this folding surprise of 3 birds that are on top of each other. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my little bird turned out, and I think it's really cute. He's just standing there in the branch, and you can choose to add more to your picture. You can choose to add a couple clouds. You can choose to put things in the background. I like it like this, so I just leave my picture as it is. So now let's check how it looks when we open. And here I choose different colors for the birds. You can actually change this if you want to. They can be the same color. You can choose different colors that I did. And I hope you like this lesson and it was easy for you to follow. And remember, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.